There is no more important moment in a person's entire journey with you as a potential client or customer than the moment that they already decided to buy your product. That is the most precious moment in the journey. So here's the thing that you should all know. 50% of all sales on e-commerce are currently happening on this place called, you might have heard about it, Amazon, right? The other 50% are happening on e-commerce websites, like built on Shopify. There's other platforms called Magento, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, OpenCart, and so on, right? One of the most powerful things of having your e-commerce site, it's very important for all of you to understand this. On the world of Amazon, you cannot present to people other products that you have. You can't. You're limited to showing that product and having that person buy that product, because Amazon controls the platform. You cannot upsell, cross-sell, downsell, and none of those things. So if you have a brand like us, Natural Scent, we have 35 different products. I don't have the ability on Amazon to introduce them to my other products. I don't control that. Amazon does. On my own Shopify side, I have that ability and I control it. That's why the average order value on my Shopify site is $110 per order. On Amazon, it's $30 per order. So I get almost 4 times the average order value because it is on my own website. So here's the thing that happens with it. I'm going to show you an example. When I click on a product and I want to buy that product, this is a page that I control, that we built over here, and I say add to cart. Add to cart, something happens. Boom, this is the pre-sale. I'm able to introduce them to a better solution to their problem now. And I build those little pages inside Shopify. These capabilities are easier to establish on Shopify. There is no more important moment in a person's entire journey with you as a potential client or customer than the moment that they already decided to buy your product. That is the most precious moment in the journey. So for you to introduce your brand at a whole different level, it's incredibly powerful, right? So now it has a pre-sale, and I say, yeah, okay, I want to buy it. Okay, great, I want to buy it. All right, so now instead of having 1 product in the cart, I have 2. But is that all of it? No. I'm going to go and finalize the order, all right? And before it finalizes an order, I'm going to introduce you to other options right here. Like, hey, instead of buying 1 of these, why don't you buy 2 of these? Or why don't you buy 3 of them and save some money over here, right? Why am I doing this? Because I believe in the power of my products to make them better. I'm doing people a disservice by not presenting them a better option. So I gotta do it for them. It's not that I'm just a salesman trying to get more money. I'm trying to help them. Am I trying to get more money too? Yeah, heck yeah, all right? It depends on the viewpoint. So I'm gonna finalize the order. All right, let's pay. Is that all of it? Am I done? Heck no, I'm not done yet, because I got more things to offer to these people, right? In this case, it did not trigger the final upsell. But you have the ability with these tools to keep on selling to people your products and services. It did not trigger it. Maybe because of the combination of products that I already added to it. But usually there would be another page over here that says, hey, before you go, this is the final offer, and it goes away in the next 10 minutes. You're only gonna see this offer right here, right? So click on it if you want it. And if I click on it, I don't have to enter payment information again because I already captured it, right? It's in the system. So that stuff is really powerful, all right? So it increases your average order value dramatically, and it introduces your brand at a whole different level, because now people know that you're not just 1 product, you're not 2 products, you have like this combination of products that can help people improve a particular area of their lives.